Hey, that is vicious.
It's gonna be a good day. Hello? Hi, this is the Randall Swag Department of Collection. What are you doing today? Yeah, what can I do for you? So the reason for my call is it looks like this in the month coming up we try to charge your account and it looks like the charge wasn't pushed through. Yeah, I mean I know the car's on file, definitely got money in it. I don't understand what the issue is. So I wanted to see if we can get that squared away. I wanted to give you a call for that and see if I can help you at all. Maybe put a new card on file. Wait a minute. I'm supposed to be getting my Dr. Crystal Bird collection. I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and fix that. Completely understandable. Well, if you want to take some time to get that squared away, we can give you about 2 to 3 business days, and just be sure to give us a call back. Well, you know what? Let me call my accountant and get that squared away. Definitely don't want to mess this up. Did you hold on for a second? Oh, well, I don't really need to be on the line, but... Nah. Look, man, well, we're going to figure all this out together. Hold on, Derek. Derek, just hold on. Okay. Yep. Hey, Mike. Hey, what's going on, Elmo? Yeah, man. What's about a charge I was trying... Nope. Hello? You know, if you gotta get this squared away, you could definitely give us a call back. Derek, hold on. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yo, Mike, what's up, man? I'm trying to get something squared away. Look, man, I'm getting some work done for you. What's up with the charge? It's for the Randall Swag of the Month service. Yeah, so I put a stop on that because you got money going out for Randall Swag. I mean, that kind of service, that doesn't even sound like something you need. It sounds more like a want. And that's an unnecessary drain on your funds. Okay, but look, it's my money. So how you just gonna put a stop on something? Dude, why do you need a crystal bird? Do you even like birds? You know, it sounds like you guys got to figure some things out, so maybe we can follow up by email or... Derek, hold on. Okay. Look, let's just, for now, approve the charge going forward with this, and maybe we'll meet up and get some of the things squared away. Or we could just not pay for this and move on with our lives. You know, I got some other customers that call. I hate to keep them. Derek, hold on, Derek. I think I got this. Oh, okay. Come on, bro. Just let me get this bird. It's gonna look so dope on my mantle. Look, dude, I work for you, meaning I get paid by you. So if you don't have any money, I don't get paid. Then my bills don't get paid. I need my bills paid. So I need you to make money and keep money to pay me. If I want to spend it on a crystal bird, then that's what I'm going to do. Sounds like a personal matter. I would hate to intrude. I can be... Derek, hold on, Derek. Okay. You're an incredible artist, but kind of acting like a child, bruh. Why you calling a child? See, that is not how you speak to people. If you didn't do it, I wouldn't call you out on it. It's my money. I've been working, okay? Look, I literally just did a commission. I did 2 jackets for my older brother, one representing the clothing line he's coming out with soon, and the other one representing his music career and his music company and brand. So one's a denim jacket. I did all the accents. I did colors to represent DC, red. I did a DC flag on it. I did his rap group name as well as his individual rap names. You know, just really represent his brand as a musician. And it came out really good. And then on the hoodie, I did a goat to represent his brand as well as all the accents and symbolism. You know, it's a lot of swag. I did it, of course, with Angela's Paint, the best brand there is. And, you know, everything just came out really good. We are in a recorded line. Just want to confirm, are you promoting your YouTube video when you said that? Yes, it was for YouTube, Derek, but hold on. Okay. Hey, I am working. Money is coming in, not just going out. So you're really making this hard. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm going to have to step in and let you know I do have to take another call. And Derek, hold on. Damn. Look, dude, I'm sorry for my outburst. It's completely fine. Derek, can you please hold on? I'm sorry, Mike. What was you saying? Things ain't going so good at home with being a lady. Man, it just seems like everything's a problem and it causes conflict. See, the thing about it is you got to understand what's important. You know what I'm saying? It's all about give and take. You know, you got to understand. Y'all both bringing something to the table, but you can't expect more out of her if you ain't bringing more. Yeah, I mean, you're right. How about you? What you been up to? Yeah, I was watching this show on Netflix. Yeah, people keep telling me to binge. I don't know if I'm really getting to it. I don't know. I mean, I personally think that the jean jacket and the hoodie came out really good. You know, I put all the elements and symbols that he asked me to, and I think it just really came out dope. All right, look. Let's go ahead and get that crystal bird squared away. Get out all taken care of, and let's figure out things next month. All right, man. Thank you, Mike. We're going to work together. You're my accountant, but I want it to be partners in this, bro. All right, Derek. You there? Derek. Yes. Yeah, man, look. We're going to go ahead and Mike going to take off the stop charge for this card, and we're going to go ahead and put it through. Well, it's actually past office hours. So the billing department actually gets closed and the system shut down for the work day. What? Well, gentlemen, I tried to inform you to give me a call back and square things away, and then things went in a weird direction, so we can't process anything. I'm sorry. Nothing I can do. I can't override the system or anything. This is very unprofessional. This is ridiculous, in my opinion. I mean, I'm a businessman too, so I need you to step it up, Derek. I do apologize. I'm just trying to help you understand that we can handle this tomorrow. Well, why didn't you say something, Derek? We gotta sit in here talking and we burn out time. We can't even do it now? I can't process. Derek, this is inexcusable. You need to do something about this to make it right. We can try to handle it tomorrow. Derek, hold on! Damn. Alright, so before we get started, just a heads up, I will not be narrating this video because the music you're going to hear is actually a track by my brother, who of course I'm creating the jacket and hoodie for, and I want you to be able to hear it fully without my voice talking over it. So enjoy the art, enjoy the music, and I'm going to put all his social media links in the description below, so be sure to check him out. Now let's get into it.
I ain't telling no lies. Too many early goodbyes. It's the light of death in the air. Better treat your last breath here with care, cause this could be your moment. Watch it, stolen lies been broken just from the pistol smoking. Left from bullets, some turned your hands. Going up in smoke, so reality just a joke here. Them other niggas is token, shooting on sight tonight. Don't care if it's wrong or right. My sandbox is low since life is up in the air like kites. The hardest niggas in crash, so we gon' slide. It's known where niggas reside. They here for limited time. They cook the seal, we serving fire. Now some is serving time. Denied the bond, cousin and prize. Families is tired. Court dates and funerals lined up to think that we've been mindful to kill each other so mindless. Survivors trapped in cages or walk the streets till they time up. The good die young, but they told us like weight was built for our shoulders. Blessed to see the golden years. That's 21 plus. We was just kids, but living life like we trouble. So what we say ain't our fault. We follow suit like it's level. So hush your mouth, you get cold. Might put some change on your books. Town hero, but years of your life to me. Like people die, teary eyes. When I die, they better clear the sky. They tell me everything good, it was all a lie. They was hoping and praying and fantasized. It's everyday hell, no dandelion. They got that real pussy in the land of lions. And I'm really getting tired of the social pictures. Same shit, the candle buying. Lost little rat. King Kong bought a 927. With a mirrors like another 911. I pray to God he let a G up into heaven. Same year, another good man gone. So you telling me the good die young? Well, it's looking like the hood die young. But when death call, I hit decline with it wrong. I'm a special nigga with the mind of a monk. With the glit on my hip, hit the 9 in the trunk. I'm a busted when I'm sober, but you dying when I'm drunk. Over homes to my prayers, hit the wine, hit the blunt. In my life, like a movie, Jackie Chan with the stunts. Hood kid like Stu, you can play if you want. If you come into my city, I can brave if you want. Cause they taking every pretty you to stave to the mud. Yeah, I don't take shit for granted no more. You can see the clip by my torso. And every day I think about my little bro. Me and he was fucking up the go-go's. Me and he was fucking these little hoes. My heart always got a space for Cardo. I can still remember getting.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
It's all hand painted right there.
Hey, that is vicious. Hey, come here. Got the speed on it.
Peep the hood.
That's tough. Hey, that's tough. That is tough. Look, try it on. Hey. Hey, you bang that.
Thank you, bro.
Ooh. Yeah. That's tough. I like it. That shit look vicious. Look at that DC flag on there. You ain't even act, listen.
I didn't see that. I like this. Like this red on it.
Yeah. Nah, he did all the accents. The bottom, all this is red. How he did the pockets, all that shit vicious. That shit nice as shit, ain't it? That shit nice as shit. Hey! Nice as shit. Look, kept the eye in the cute, I like that. Nice as shit, bro. Look.
Oh, can I put both of them on? And then when I take one off,
Listen.
you get like double the effect. Extra cold.
I'm saying no. Look, come autumn, swag it out.
Hey, no bullshit. You can wear that shit when they get coming outside together.
Caution was like a suicide bam case. Good man gone. My man bought that trigger play. Getting back by any means. That's why they not here today. Kids are home alone. Mothers with no sons. I've got too many good men gone. Good man gone. My man bought that trigger play. Getting back by any means. That's why they not here today. Kids are home alone. Mothers with no sons. I've got too many good men gone.
Ah! I like that. That felt good.